Hey CCS parents, staff, and students. This is Mr. Williams from the Tech Department, and I want to take a minute to tell you about some changes that are going to be affecting all of our Parent Square users. All of our Parent Square and Student Square users will be logged off of their accounts Monday night. This will prompt everybody, including parents, staff, and students, to log back in and either verify their contact information or suggest some changes. Some people check Parent Square on a computer, but most use their phones. Let me show you both ways, starting with the phone. After you log back into the app, you'll see a screen that looks similar to this one. It'll include your name, our school's name, your contact information, and your children's names. Touch these arrows to verify your info, suggest some changes, or just skip to verify it later. A verification code will be sent to your phone or emailed to you. Once you receive this, you'll want to enter that code into your Parent Square account. If the information is way off and you don't even see your name, touch the big red button that says, "This is not me." Now let's take a look at Parent Square on your computer. It's very similar. Once you're kicked off or logged off, you'll need to log back in. Then you're going to see your name, our school's name, your contact information that we have, and also your student's information. Confirm that the contact info we have is correct, suggest some edits, or just skip for now. Just like with the mobile app, you'll be sent a confirmation code, which you'll need to type into Parent Square. Finally, if the information is way off and you don't even see your name, choose the box that says, "This is not for me." And that's it. This should be pretty easy, and if you're running into trouble, please make sure that you respond to this post and ask your questions. The result of this is hopefully going to be more contact information that's accurate and easy to use so that we can communicate clearly with all of our families. Thanks for taking the time to watch this. Again, if you have questions, please respond to this post.